which is how do we solve radical equations? And these are the steps. And you know, if you get to the radical equation, you know, any place you can start and just show a little something, you get partial credit for, right? If the only thing you could do is isolate, there's something you get credit for. So just try. But isolate, undo, solve, and check. I mean, isolate the radical, and if it has an exponential notation, then isolate that. Undoing the radical, if it has an exponential notation, raise it to the reciprocal power. Right? Solve what you have left at that point. It could be linear, it could be quadratic, it could be absolute value. We saw all of those. And so you just have to use the appropriate steps for solving that kind of algebra equation. And then it says check for extraneous solutions. It's always a good idea to check your answer. I mean, that could help you that maybe you just made a mistake. You need to go back and check it out. But when is it that we're especially concerned that there's going to be an extraneous solution? Yeah, there's a variable that's outside the radical and inside the radical. That's when you need to make sure you check for the extraneous. I think there's 3 equations to solve, and they all say check for extraneous. They don't all have the variable outside, but they all say check for extraneous. So just check. Check your answers. Good habit to be in.